Hello and welcome to this short video, which is intended to help troubleshoot a possible DNS issue that you may have encountered while following part 7 of my security training video on how to upload a HTTPS security certificate into Brother devices. The issue may have been caused by a missing DNS record, causing your computer not to be able to resolve your Brother device's FQDN back to its IP address. I also experienced the same issue, so I decided to create this video to share the solution. By resolving the IP address of my Brother device, which is 192.168.10.120, to its fully qualified domain name, which is mfc101.brothertraining.net. As you can see, the first part of my Brother device's FQDN is mfc101. mfc101 is the device's node name, which I was able to find from its internal web server. I am going to begin by creating a reverse lookup zone from Windows DNS. Although not technically required in a demo environment, I feel it is good to have, since it enables me to more closely replicate an actual live environment. I need to do this from the Windows DNS Manager. From it, I'm going to click and expand the node name of the server, which in this example is called Alpha. I am then going to right-click the Reverse Lookup Zones option and left-click the New Zone option from the pop-up menu. This will load the Reverse Lookup Zone wizard. To get started, I need to click the Next button. I'm going to be accepting the default settings, so we'll click the Next button again here, and again here. In the Network ID field, I need to type the first 3 octets of my server's IP address. By the way, the technical reason for only needing to type the first 3 octets is because my network environment uses a Class C address range. If I had used a Class B, usually starting with 172.16, then I would only need to type the first 2 octets. With this configured, I need to click the Next button, and again here, followed by clicking the Finish button to complete the creation of my reverse lookup zone. It is now visible from the DNS Manager. In order for it to become active, I need to restart the DNS server service, which I can do in Windows Services. To do this, I need to find and right-click the DNS server service and left-click the Restart option. I am now ready to create an address record, otherwise known as an A record, to enable my computer to resolve my Brother device's FQDN to its IP address. Like before, I need to do this from the Windows DNS Manager, where I need to expand the Forward Lookup Zones option. This will give me 2 sub-options, both of which contain my domain name. I need to right-click the one that does not have anything written before it, as shown here, and then left-click the New Host option. In the Name section, I need to type the node name of my Brother device, which is mfc101. I then need to type its IP address into here. And since I have set up a reverse lookup zone, I am going to put a tick into the Create Associated Pointer Record option. If you don't have a reverse lookup zone, please don't do this, as you will get an error message during the next step. To finish, I just need to click the Add Host button, followed by the OK button on this pop-up window. I can now come away from this window by clicking the Done button, where I can now see my brother device's A record. I am now going to retry connecting to my brother device using its FQDN. And now it works, thanks to the A record I recently created. Thank you for watching.